Hi everyone, Sarah here. Hope you are all doing well today. I am here to share with you some finished diamond paintings that I have. I have probably 3 videos that will follow. These were all paintings that I've completed from January and February. So I've just been working away on my diamond painting table in evenings and weekends to get some of these 30 by 40s finished off that I have had or purchased in the last little while. So these ones in this video are from Fansells. So the first one that I want to share with you, this was one that was sent to me for review by Fansells that I picked out to review. And I guess you would call it kind of the Starry Night sunflowers, if you want to give it a name. It has the Starry Night theme to it, but with some sunflowers in it. It's absolutely gorgeous. And this one is what they call the glow paintings, and it has glow in the dark, and I believe it's actually a couple of colors. I will insert a video to share with you guys what it looks like, because you do have to charge it under light and then it will glow. So I will charge it up and insert a little clip for you right now. Okay, so here it is with the glow in the dark. You can see that there's some swirls in the painting, and they are a couple of different colors, so they have different intensities to them. But I think they turned out really awesome, and it glows so cool. Okay, so that's what it looks like with the glow. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love this one. The quality of the drills was really great. I did not have any bad drills, and they all fit really nicely. I have to say that placement wise, I think I did a pretty good job. I know, I think it looks really good. This one's interesting because it has like a border. They put the glue on the inside with a little bit of the image showing through. So there's a bit of a border to it, which is nice. It was 25 colors, 30 by 40 from Fansells. I don't know if I wrote down a price, did I? Trying to look on the other side of my table over there. I believe it was I want to say $4.65, but that was in pounds, because these were ones that were sent to me, so I just listed the price that was on the website at the time. Lots and lots of extra drills, tons and tons. So I'm going to go through and find the ones that were glow in the dark so that I can keep those ones. I don't generally keep the extra drills from these types of paintings, but this one was pretty good, so I might keep them. But that one worked out really awesome, and I totally recommend it. There are quite a few different images with the glow, and I believe they have their own category that you can pick in the drop down. So they're easy to find. So again, there's all the extras. The empty ones were ones that I had duplicates or either didn't. Yeah, so that's 13, 13, 4, 4, 3, 3. I reuse my containers now and leave the stickers on there, and I will mark them if I need to add an extra number or something. I'll cross it off and write beside it. So I figured I'm gonna do that until my stickers are full, and then that way I'm not going through so many stickers, because I have so many of these 30 by 40 size paintings with these containers as my favorite. Now this one is one that I purchased myself from Fansells not that long ago. So this one was $5.99 Canadian. I absolutely love it. This is the Valentine Gnomes. They turned out so adorable, and if you are interested or follow me on Instagram, you can see how I redid the sign so that you could read "Be Mine," because it would have been really pixelated and you would not have been able to read it. So basically what I did was went straight to the section first and just put in my letters with one solid red color that I chose, and then I filled in white around it and still did the border with the different colors. But I did show pictures on Instagram before I filled in the white and before I filled in any color, so that you can see the symbols that were there before. So if you're interested in doing that, but I absolutely love it. I think it turned out so gorgeous. The little girl gnome, little boy gnome, there's hearts in the background, and then flowers in the front, and their little shoes and everything. Turn it that way so you can see the whole thing. The sparkle is really great. Quality of the drills was great. And again, this was one that was staticky, but I believe it was because I had ordered it myself in the winter, and they were sitting out on the front porch for a while. So with the heat being on and everything, it caused a little bit of static electricity. So, but it was workable. It wasn't terrible. Yeah, so that's that one. So those two were Fansells. I will link them down below if I can find them still available. I apologize for not having this one posted. It was finished for Valentine's Day, but I didn't get the video done to post it and share it with you guys. But I am definitely going to hang this one up next year for Valentine's Day. Yeah, so that's that. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.